Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel, on this beautiful day. How you guys and girls doing? I hope you're doing great. Today we're going to keep working on the console RPG again. But before we get started, please check out the description box. You got my Twitter link there, you got my support page, you got links to playlists, and that can be really helpful. And then you can just drop a like or subscribe if you can. Alright, so let's just get started. Basically what we worked with in the last video was that we implemented this whole attack, hit and defend thing. So I'm just gonna put that up here. So I hit and then defend. So basically the enemy can defend and we can hit it, and again we can hit it. Yep, again. Now let me see, what was I gonna say? We don't have any type of turn switching, so the enemy can't attack us just yet, but we can only attack the enemy all through here. But we're gonna make some kind of a turn switching here later on in the future videos, maybe in the next one. But for today we're just gonna make sure we get all the prints correct, the COUTs, and then that we gain some EXP for actually killing the enemy. Okay, so we're just gonna polish this today in the 10 minutes that we have. Now if I get started here, let me just see that I'm actually recording. Yes, I am. Okay, so let's just get started. So in character, I actually want to create a little function here. Let's see, void gain, or we do have add exp right there, don't we? We do have add exp already, so we're just going to use that. So when I kill the enemy, when you defeat the enemy, we're going to have a integer here, gained exp, and we're going to say something around a random of let's see, now what does enemy have? So we're gonna have, it's the enemy's level, probably enemy dot get level, maybe something like that, and just have a parenthesis around this, multiply it by maybe 10. So if the level is 1, we'll have a random between 1 and 10. So it'll give us a nice little thing. You defeated the enemy and gained how many XP? Gained exp like that. So we'll actually gain some exp if we kill the enemy. Okay, and if we die, we have the set dead function in character, which we can manipulate right here. So it's gonna actually remove some exp from me right now. Okay, and that's gonna depend on basically my level as the character. And so this level multiplied by 10. So probably we're just gonna use that, and we're gonna make a little random in here. Random this level multiplied by 10 plus 1. So we're gonna lose anything between 1 and our level multiplied by 10. So that's a good way of doing that. And then we'll just copy this and we'll do the same thing for gold. Alright, gold, there you go. So that is great. Let's see, that's fine. And then we'll just go back to game state. Later on we'll make sure we can print that out as well. When you die, you kind of lose some stuff and all that stuff. You're dead and lost exp and gold, and you lost some exp and gold, whatever. We'll just have it like that for now, and then we'll take some damage. We'll hit the enemy. Another thing we want to do here is you hit the enemy for something. Now a good way to actually do this is, it's kind of complicated actually, but we'll make a little thing in here. So we're just gonna make a let's do this. We're gonna make a little parentheses. Where is it? Here. We're gonna make a little parentheses here, and we're going to in between the parentheses, we're going to add the enemy's EXP. Okay, so you'll see the enemy's HP every time you damage it, and then we'll kind of go from there. And the enemy does take damage here. So what we need to do is we need to do enemy.get HP right here, and one of these, and enemy.get let's see, we need to go into enemy.cpp again and enemy.h. So we do have an HP max. I just need to get that as well. Let me just copy paste that. 1 second, just copy paste that, put it down here, get HP max, return this HP max, right? Boom. So now we can get the HP max of the enemy. And then if we go back to game state, get HP max, just like that, and then the parentheses. So now we'll always see the enemy's HP right here. Okay, like that. Boom. And then defend, you missed the enemy. Boom. Okay, that's fine. So what, that's not what I want to do. If I want to run this, I should see what the hell did I just do? Alright, so I had forgotten the parentheses right here at get HP, but that should be fine. So let's just run this, and let's see, let's create a character, and in the character we're gonna say new character something something -1, start the game, combat test. Okay, so now we can see the enemy's HP here. We can see the damage we did. We'll keep going. I missed the enemy. I hit the enemy again, hit the enemy again. The next attack is gonna kill the enemy, and then I defeated the enemy, and boom, and we're good. And our system pause should actually be right at the bottom, just like that. So that's a little better. Now we have our system pause there. Now let me just do that. And that means that we'll pause after the enemy is defeated. We gain some EXP and all that stuff, so that should be fine. Perfect. Now one more thing I want to do is I actually want to do a random here, but this character get damage, and this character get damage max. So random between 0 and get damage max, and whatever I get there I'll add it with get damage, the minimum damage. Okay, that is the minimum. Now hopefully get damage min, it should be called in enemy, and in character as well it should be get damage minimum. Okay, now if I run this, there you go. And let's just try running this one more time. Just make sure that we actually get... Yeah, it worked. Okay, cool. Now, before the video's over, since we need to kind of end it off, let's see how we can make you understand this better. Percent defense percentage, let's see, random between, let's see out. Let's also, actually, you know what, we'll do that later. Damage, player damage, let's just print that out so we see it. Equals character get damage minimum, and to this character get damage max, and then a new line right there. So there you go. Now at least we can see the damage minimum and the damage max, just like that. And then we'll do the same thing for enemy, just like this. Where is the enemy anyway? Oh, we create up there. Okay, that's fine. So we'll do the same thing for enemy. Hit rating, defense. All right. Enemy damage, enemy dot, and I'll add a this here, and then remove the this here. Enemy dot get damage max. So that's basically how it looks. That's fine. Let's just run this before we have to end the video. Boom. Let's see. Create character. -1. Start the game. Okay, combat test. So the first iteration, our damage is 2 to 3. So I hit the enemy for 4. That doesn't really make sense. We're gonna have to fix that in the next video. 2, 3, and the enemy died. And I should have gotten some EXP there, but I did not get some EXP. We're gonna have to start the game again. Combat test. And gain 5 EXP. Still didn't gain any XP. So we're gonna have to fix that in the next video. But still, for those of you who stuck with me until now, thank you so much. I hope you learned something. I hope this was a good video. And yeah, thanks again for all the support. Please check out the description box for links to other playlists. My Twitter, follow me, subscribe, drop a like if you want. Otherwise, just thanks for sticking with me. Take care, and I'll see you guys and girls in the next video, alright? Bye-bye.